if you haven't figured it out yet, these 4 DC Audio Level 112s are for Rob's truck over there. They just showed up. If you're wondering why the build hasn't started, well, I don't really have anything yet. I ordered all kinds of stuff for it, and I'm just sort of waiting for it to get here. I'm trying to get him some door panels. I've already got an excess power battery on the way. I've got an incriminator audio amplifiers coming. I'm gonna build a nice amp rack from there. I just gotta build it on Vox and start putting it in. So hang tight, we'll get it going. But for now, let's open up these boxes. All right, it's Saturday morning. My CNC is over there buzzing away, so I apologize for that. Maybe I'll just add in some beats and we'll open up this box without saying hardly a word. Let the woofers do the talking. Probably wondering what these are for, what this is all about. I mean, it is an unboxing, but it's not just an unboxing. There's a reason for it. Real quick, I apologize about the buzzing and all the sounds coming from over there. My CNC machine is always running. I'm about ready to buy my second one, but that's beside the point. What are those 12s for? Let's find out. Rob's 92 Silverado is about ready to get some serious slap. So for the past week or so, I got all kinds of people asking me, where's video 3? What you been doing on that truck? What's going on with the truck? Well, this stuff takes time. I had to order those woofers. I have incriminator audio amplifiers that are gonna run those woofers and the mids and highs. I gotta order some B2 audio mids and highs. I'm gonna order him up some kick pods. I'm trying to secure some brand new door panels for him because these door panels are just gone. If I can't get any new door panels at a reasonable price, I'm gonna have to hit the wrecking yard up and see if there's anything there. But 92 Silverado sounds common, but around here it's few and far between unless they're in real bad shape. So the plan is new door panels. I'm gonna buy them a new deck. I got an excess power battery going up front, it's on the way. I got some Q-Logic kick pods on the way. So as much as I wanted to surprise my boy Rob with his new 4 12-inch DC audios, well, I'm on YouTube and everybody has the internet, so there's really no hiding it. Same thing for the amplifiers. I'm Incriminator audio amp, but Rob, I hope you enjoy this stuff. The build's getting ready to start real soon.